In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a screenshot to editable Figma using a special plugin called Kodia AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to open Figma. This is a design tool that many people use for UI/UX design. Once you're on the website or the app, create a new design file or open an existing one where you'd like to work on your screenshot. Now that you're in Figma, the next step is to paste your screenshot. Simply take a screenshot of whatever you want to convert. You can usually do this by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard or using specific shortcuts if you're on a Mac or mobile device. Now, head back to Figma and paste that screenshot directly onto your canvas. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply pressing Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. Once your screenshot is pasted in Figma, we can start turning it into something editable. Here's where Kodia AI comes into play. You'll want to open the plugin to get started. In the top menu, find the Plugins option. Hover over it, then select Browse Plugins. Type Kodia AI into the search bar and select the plugin when it appears. With the Kodia AI plugin opened, you'll take action by typing in the information you see on your screenshot. This is a really cool feature, as the AI will recognize and analyze the design elements in your image. Go ahead and type in what you see, like text or buttons, depending on your screenshot. Now you'll need to select the Kodia AI plugin for your screenshot. It might sound a bit complex, but it's actually quite easy once you get used to it. There should be a section in Figma showing your installed plugins. Click on Kodia AI, and it will guide you through the process of selecting specific elements from your screenshot to convert them into editable layers. Next up, you'll want to click on the option that says Kodia AI Design, Screenshot to Editable Figma Design. This option is essential because it tells the plugin to start working its magic. It will analyze your screenshot, break it down into layers, and make it editable right within Figma. Finally, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to sign up with Kodia AI. This is a quick process, and once you're signed up and logged in, you can start turning all your screenshots into editable designs, saving yourself tons of time and effort in the design process. And that's it. You've learned how to convert a screenshot to editable content in Figma using Kodia AI. It's a fantastic tool that simplifies the process of turning static images into dynamic, editable designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!